Hey there, welcome to the studio tonight. So tonight I've got a little something different for you. This is a video that I have recorded early last week. I'm just getting around to doing a voiceover on it. I had the radio on when I originally painted this, and so I can't use that that voice track. I have to do another one on top of it. So just let me set this up for you. This is another one of the Calla lilies. I've got so many of these growing in my yard. They're such pretty plants. I just wanted to do this. But this one, I wanted to be as free as I could with it. I didn't want to be constrained by any lines. So I'm just giving it a chance to see where this painting takes me. I do have the lily, the picture of the lily itself in the upper left-hand corner, and I've moved my paint camera to the lower left-hand corner. I hope I don't get in the way quite so much this time. I'm going to let you take a look at this as I go through it. I'm going to put a little music on, and hopefully you can relax and watch and see how I do this. Okay, at this point, I know I've got the basic shape of the flower I want. I need to start building some kind of a background here. So I'm going to put on a bit of a darker background, and I want it to be really loose and juicy. And so I'm going to put it on with a lot of water. I'm just going to let the colors flow wherever they want to, and just get a mixture of some grays and some greens and maybe a little bit of reds or siennas in there, and see where this takes us. Okay, I've got that background on there. It's a basic background, but now it's time to come back in and start defining the flower a little bit more, a little bit darker where it needs it, a little bit more color, a pop of color where it needs it, and just really dial that flower in. Then we'll reassess and see if we need to do something with the background to finish it off, but we are almost there. Okay, I think I've got that flower exactly the way I want it. Let's start punching up that background and really bring this painting to life. And I think that is it. We are done. There's the comparison of my two Calla lilies. I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this, subscribe down below. Thank you for stopping by the studio. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.